The quadratic equation is f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Variable a changes the curvature of the parabola. When a is negative, the parabola opens downward and vice versa. When a equals 0, the parabola becomes a line, because it cancels out the x squared, which leaves us with f of x equals bx plus c, which is the formula for a line. When b is 0, the vertex is the y-intercept, or c. The parabola is moving vertically because b is equal to 0. When we change b, the parabola moves diagonally. This is because the parabola must always have a point on c, or the y-intercept. No matter what, the parabola will always have a point at c. Quadratic functions. We will start with a simple equation, y equals 1x squared plus negative 6x plus 5. We will start by making a parabola on a graph. The point where the parabola crosses the x-axis are the roots, if it does cross the x-axis at all. The vertex is a point where the parabola turns around and starts going the other direction. To solve this equation, we must first make a t-chart. If x equals 1, y equals 0. If x equals 2, y equals negative 3, and so on. If we plot all these points on a graph, then we now have our parabola. The vertex is 3, negative 4, and c is at 5, just as our equation told us. For our definition now, b, the farther b is from 0, the farther the vertex is from the y-axis. A, if a is negative, then the parabola opens downwards, and vice versa. C, the y-intercept of the parabola. Vertex, the point where the parabola starts to curve in the opposite direction. Roots, the x-intercepts of the parabola.